Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Deezer account. So in order to delete your Deezer account, you'll need to do it from your web browser. So basically what you have to do is, first of all, you need to open up your web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And after that, on the web address bar, type in deezer.com. And once you are on this page, you need to click on a login button located right at the bottom, enter in your credential and log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, tap on the three dot icon located right on top and go to desktop side. After that, the interface is going to look something like this. So right over here, what you need to do is you need to click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you do that, a menu page pops up. So from the list, you need to go and tap on account settings. Now this is going to take you to the account settings where you'll be able to make changes with your information as well. And if you scroll down right to the bottom, there will be an option as delete my account. If you're sure about deleting your account, click on the delete button. And as soon as you click on it, once again there will be a confirmation. If you're sure about it, then click on the delete button and a confirmation email or SMS will be sent to you. And as soon as you tap on the confirmation prompt, it proves that you've confirmed your deletion of your account. And that is basically how you can delete your Deezer account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.